everyone, welcome to my channel Chine's Creative. So let's tie this gorgeous head wrap tutorial together. Okay, I'm going to be showing you simple unconventional style that you can actually tie to any event. Okay, and the measurement for this style will be 80-20 and it's going to be a V-shaped style. Okay, let us go. So my Gele measurement is 60 inches long. This is the small Asoke, okay? This is not the bridal Asoke. This is 60 inches long and it is 3 layers of Asoke. Okay, this is 4 layers. 1, 2, 3, and 4 layers. So let's go. So I'm going to form my plate. By now, I know you already know how to form your plate if you want to tie your head wrap. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is how to measure 80-20. Divide this Gele into 2 equal parts like this. Okay, you now have 50 here and 50 here, right? So this one, this is the half of the 50. We are going to fold it into 2 again. Okay, so from here to here is 25. So here we have 75. Remember I say 80-20. So from here we are going to remove 5. So you are going to place your hand like this, 1 and 2. Just imagine this to be 5 and then you start from here. So this is your 20 and this is your 80. I hope I'm clear. Let's go. So from here I'm going to form my V shape here. I'm going to start forming my pleats. Okay, you first of all form your base. Take this one inside and then you start to form your pleats. Okay, this is the pleat that I formed. So I'm going to place it on my head. I'm going to turn my hand. This is my 20. Place it like this. Okay, and then bring it out. And arrange. Okay, take this one inside, let it just come under your ear like this. Hold them together and then arrange it again. Okay, just arrange it. Make sure your plate is well aligned. Okay, while holding them together at the back, you bring this one out. Okay, look at what I'm doing. Just make sure everywhere is nice and clean. Okay, take your time. This is your base, so you have to make it to look fine. So you cross. This one goes under while this one comes on top. All right, so what are you supposed to do next? So this ring light is entering my eyes. That's why I'm still coming back to this place. So I'm going to be using this office pin tight here. Twist it. Okay, take it to the back and use your office pin and pin. Sorry, I don't have rotating chair, but if you understand what I'm doing, I'm just pinning this remaining shorter hand at my back so that I can be able to work with this longer hand. So I pin twice. I'm going to pin again because I want it to stay very tight on my hair. I don't want it to pull out. So I'm trying to pin. This is the 3rd time and it's very, very tight now. So look at it. You can go ahead and arrange to your desired taste. If you want it very tiny, bring it forward. So look at it. I was not recording. I did not know I was not recording. I'm so sorry. So I pleated all these ones. I take the remaining excess with my back and then I tag it. So what are we going to do again? Start arranging these ones also. Just the way I pick these ones down. you pick it, and then you align it. So once we get to this part, we are going to stop here. All right, so I'm going to arrange it, place them on top, on top, on top. Just look at your mirror. So me, I'm looking at my phone to do this. Look at your mirror, and then try to pull here up a little bit, just so you can have this upper part like this. You pull so that I can have here like this. So once I get to this part, look at the hand. Okay, so I'm going to use my office pin to pin here down like this. Okay, then this part is going to take you to the back and pin also. Okay, you just trace the two gele together and pin. Is coming out. I'm going to use rubber band. If you are using your office pin, so this my hand is pressing here very tight, while this one is helping me to pull this place out. Look at it. So I drop. So it has helped me arrange this part. Okay, I hope you can see very well. Okay, look at it. It has helped to arrange. So make sure your gele is placed on their self like this. Alright, so let's spin this one. Let's spin this one down. So this remaining hand, we are going to open it this way. So this is the front, so we are using the back. Fold the back like this. Take this one here, twist this one, twist, twist, keep twisting at the back of this place. Twist till you exhaust it like this, and then you pin, and then you pin. Look at my office pin, and then you pin. Okay, arrange it. So we are now left with this half. So we are going to use this half to form something. So look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to form something like this. Okay, look at what I did. I just hold this edge, turn it, holding this place, bring them together, and bring this one inside so that I can have this up like this. Okay, and just turn it. So while holding, I'm going to be making use of my office pin. Place it here. Okay, so remember, when you get to this part, you can actually form. I'm trying to push this pin inside. I think the mouth is blown somehow. Okay, so you can actually be creative and form. Look at my pin. So I'm going to pin here. Just push it inside and it's going to stay. So whenever you are doing, try to still arrange your front. If you want to push, hold here and then you push a little bit. Make sure you are pressing here and then you push so that it goes backward a little bit. Okay, see it. So we are still left with this side, so you can go ahead and do whatever with this one. So I'm trying to open it. So I divide. See, I just divide it here like this. I'll put my office pin here in this center here like this. Push, put my office pin, just push it. Okay, when you touch your hair or your skull, you pull it out a little bit and do it again. Okay, so look at what I'm doing. What I'm trying to do is just to secure this remaining part. We just want to have a kind of style here. Okay, so I'm going to press here down. So remember, you can actually do whatever you like with the remaining. So look at it. Let me press it very well. Please, if you are just coming across my video, help me subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you. So I think this pin is very short, but I'm trying to see how I can do that so that it is going to stay. Okay, and when the mouth is blunt, please try to change the office pin. So I'm trying to like give it a shape. Okay, another office pin. Look at it, guys. So I hope this tutorial is helpful and you can be able to form any style. So I'm trying to pin here down. So what I'm going to do is to put my office pin, bend my hand and push it. Okay, and push it down. So at this point, this place is well secured. It's no longer shaking. It's no longer shaking. Okay, so look at it. This is the final look. So you can push and arrange, touch where you need to touch, and you are good to go. All right, so when I was recording, I did not press the play button. So here is just to pick and drop and start arranging them all, and then look at our style. So you can decide to put design here. I have this brooch, but if you don't want, you can leave it like this. Okay, if you don't want, you can actually leave it like this. I think I like it. You can put your brooch, or you can use anything. Sorry, so I'm going to be using this gold one. So let's put it and see. It has hook here. So I'm just, this is earring place. So if you have brooch, you can go ahead and use your brooch. Okay, so let's put it. Come close. I'll just push it in anywhere and I'll allow it to stick there. So did you see how it came out? But sorry, you can choose to leave yours like that. Okay, you can choose to leave yours like that. I'm just showing you options that you can actually try. So look at our gele, and this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? What do you think about this style? I love this style so much, and I would love you to try it also if you are going to church or one bear anywhere, you will actually love it. So let's add one more pin here. Just push it, push nothing, so that it's going to help this one stand. So look at how gorgeous came out. Okay, so look at it, trying to arrange this side. Okay, so look at it. This is the finished look. What do you think about this style? One more thing, our back. Okay, so let me turn and show you the back. The back is neatly covered. Look at how the back is. Okay, can drag and arrange. See the back. Okay, so that is it. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next tutorial. You can still push this one backward if you like. Just press and take it back like this. Did you see? Or better still, if you want your hairline to show, you can still push it back, and while pushing, come back and arrange. Okay, come back and arrange it. Look at your mirror. If it gives you what you want, excellent. So that is it, guys. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.